Okay, we're gonna jump straight into how I got this faux bun and faux bang look. It's super cute, super simple. Right now I'm just prepping my hair, but I want to remind you not to forget to like and subscribe. So I'm just moisturizing my hair, putting some leave-in and oil in it, and then detangling it. Okay, so now I'm about to get my hair up into the high bun. So I'm putting some oil around my edges, and then I'll add a little conditioner, and that's just to moisturize my hair and hopefully prevent any flaking later from the gel I put in. Okay, so now I'm brushing my hair up into the ponytail, and I put it into the ponytail to make it easier for me to put gel all around my edges so that the ponytail, isn't in the way. So today I'm using Let's Jam, the regular hold. Sorry, that's blurry. I don't always use jam. I'm not married to any one gel, so you use what works best for you. Okay, so once I had that gel applied all around my hair, I take out that bun because it was a pretty loose bun, and then I get my brush and I really begin to slick the edges of my hair up into the tight bun, tight ponytail that we will actually be using. Okay, so once I have that ponytail secured, I split it into two, and I'm just twisting that ponytail up, and then I'm going to take that twist and wrap it around itself, and that's going to be our bun. So that's going to be like our support underneath our faux bun. Okay, so I'm taking this Easy Braid Kanekalon hair. It's in the color 2. I think it cost me like $2.99, super cheap. And I'm going to take a scrunchie and put it around that whole strand of hair, and then I'm going to wrap that scrunchie twice around my bun to secure it. And from here is when we start to make the bun. So I wanted more of a flat, sleek bun, so I'm just kind of keeping the hair flat and wrapping it around my existing bun to cover it up. But if you like, you could also twist that Kanekalon hair so that you can have more of a rope bun. It's really up to you how you do this part. Okay, then you will just pin the fake hair to your scalp to secure that bun, and you just pin it until you are fully secure. So next I'm taking this old track from an old sew-in, and I'm folding it in half so it'll be a little bit thicker. And I'm using that track to make the bang. So I take the track and then I pin it to the base of the bun. You want to use as many bobby pins as you need to hide that track underneath the bun, but don't worry if you can't get this done, because I have another way to hide the track a little bit later, so stay tuned. Okay, so once you have your track secured, you want to begin to cut the bang. And I started out safe with the cutting. I thought it was best to, cut a little bit at a time rather than cutting too much and not being able to grow it back. So I began to cut until I got it in the right place. And let me just tell you, honey, like, it's kind of hard to cut hair. Like, I was looking at it and like, look at that. That looked crazy. So take your time with this one. This is probably the hardest part of this entire style. It's just getting that bang to your liking. So once I got it where I wanted it, I straightened it because I wanted a straight bang, not that kind of wavy look. Then I take all that extra hair that's on the side of the bang, and I use that to wrap around the base of the bun. And this is what I was talking about, what you could do to help hide your track even more. You could take some of that extra hair on the side and wrap it around the base of the bun. So it's kind of like creating almost like a little scrunchie of hair around that bun. And it helps hide your track. Woohoo! So once that's done, I go through one more time and make sure the bun looks exactly how I want it, do a little more trimming, if necessary, a little more straightening. And then I take a little bit more of the jam edge control and put that all around to make sure that base is sleek, and then I'm going to tie it up. And I'm tying my hair up. You see I lift the bang because I didn't want the bang to get stuck to the gel or anything. So I left this in long enough to do my makeup, probably like like an hour and a half or so, and ooh, gotta fix that. I hate when I take off my scarf, it always looks like that. So then I go through one more time and prep that bang, make sure it's straight, it's laying the way I want to, flat iron it, and then honey, you are ready to slay.